So after the design, this is what we get. A nice design, very simple but wonderful. So a lot of you might be asking why my design is colorful or is different from the one I sent. It's because my system settings is quite different. My contrast is very high, that's why the colors are shouty. But this is what you get. So I just want you to work with the design, try and replicate something that looks like that, and let's see how it goes. So after doing the design, we're going to head straight for exporting. Now to export a design, you have to click share. Now scroll down and you can share to social media, direct, social media, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or you could just download, which I normally do. You just have to click download, then you pick the best format. JPG best for sharing, PNG best for complex images and illustrations. This is the best. PDF standard, PDF print, SVG, MP4 and GIF. Now let's select PNG and then let's click download. Now the file is downloading, it's trying to compress. Once it's done compressing, it's going to download automatically, but if it doesn't download automatically, you can click here, then you have the download in your system. Now this is what you get after exporting a full design. Now if you want to convert this to a video or a GIF, just click on each element and animate. Let's animate some write-ups. Let's animate some stuffs. So we see how it goes. Animate. Just pick any animation of your choice. Then you could export as an MP4 video like suggested. Click the download, wait for it to extract and export. Then you can allow it to download into your smartphone or laptop as well. So guys, thank you very much for having me, and I hope as we practice more, we're going to get more out of this course. So if you have any questions, you can proceed to asking the questions. In the next class, we are going to kick off with template manipulation.